Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to do one brand tutorial which was suggested by you guys only. One of my subscribers has suggested this video to me. तो मैंने कुछ products खरीदे थे Faces Canada के and a few products I already had, so I thought that I must do one brand tutorial. Now I must tell you I don't have the eyeshadow from them because मेरे पास बहुत पहले एक आई शेडो था फेसेस कैनेडा का which I was not a very big fan about, so that's why I didn't purchase one new eyeshadow. And apart from that I don't even have the eyebrow filling powder or pencil. So yeah, apart from these two products I have quite a lot of products. So yes, now without any further ado, let's get started. If you don't know me, I am Atrey and I make videos related to beauty, skincare, makeup, etc. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Now without wasting any time further, let's get started. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a voice over here when I'm going to apply the products on my face, and in the end of the video I'm going to tell you which product I like the most and which product I didn't like. So yes, if you want to know how I'm going to do my makeup today by Faces Canada products, so you must watch till the end to know my final viewpoints on the products which I am going to use today.
So here first of all I am going to moisturize my skin using an aloe vera gel because I did not have anything from Faces. So yeah, I'm going to just moisturize it. Now I'm going to use the Faces matte foundation. So it just applies like a dream. You will see it is super duper blendable and the shade is also fine, but it has a very pink undertone according to my liking and my skin tone, so that's a little bit of bummer. Now I'm using the foundation as my concealer also because I did not have any concealer from this particular brand, and you will see that it has given me very little coverage, but it has evened out my skin tone. That's what I feel. After this I'm going to set everything using this powder. And now although they say matte, but I'll again say that these two products are not very matte, they are very natural. And I really like the powder. It is not super duper drying and it does not have a lot of coverage, so it does not cake up as well. Now I'm going to use this bronzer Faces palette, and it has a bronzer, it has a blush, and it also has an highlighter. So I'm going to use the bronze shade as my transition color and the highlighting shade as the color on my eyelids. And now I'm going to use the liner. It is very black, I would say, and it is so it is also very black, and it's not I would say it does not have a lot of shine, so it is nicely matte, I would say. Not exactly matte, but it gives the look of matte eyes. Now this kajal, I have been using this from quite a long time now. So I'm going to use the kajal and smudge it a little bit. So I'm doing this type of makeup after ages because here it's very basic. Like wherever you are going, you can use this makeup. Now I'm going to use the mascara as well, and I really like the wand. I mean, yes, I'm impressed by the mascara also. It has done quite a great job, I would say. Okay, and now I'm going to use the blush from the same blush palette. And it's a quite a nice pinky corally color, and going to use the bronzer. Now this bronzer is okay for me, but if you are a little bit lighter than me, this will suit you better. But for me also this is okay. I mean, I'm NC42 and for me as well this thing works. I won't say that it does not work. I'm going to use the highlighter. Now highlighter is also very pretty, I would say. Although it's not very bam type of highlighter, but see, can you see? It has this champagne gold color which looks very good on almost all the skin tone. Now this is one more blush which I had, so I applied that as well. Now this is the lipstick by Faces Canada, and again the shade, I love this shade. It is Midnight Rose.
Alright guys, so this is how my face looks like after doing all my makeup using Faces brand. So let's just get into the products one by one and let's see what I think about them. Now talking about the foundation, this is a weightless matte finish foundation. This is anti-aging and has natural extracts, that's what they say, and it is 18 ml of product, and it retails for 199 rupees. My shade in this particular foundation is Sand, which is sadly the last shade. So if you are someone who is near to my skin tone, NC40, 42, this particular shade, it's fine for me because it does not have that much of coverage, I would say. It is just like a tinted moisturizer, but yes, it did not dry out my skin. And before starting my makeup, I applied a moisturizer so that my face doesn't look dry. So it says it's a matte foundation, but I would say it's a pretty natural finish foundation. And yes, it looks very natural and fresh as well. If you are someone who goes to college, who does not like heavy makeup, I would recommend you this particular foundation, and the shade is also fine, but I am really bummed about the fact that they have only 4 shades in all of their foundations. So that is why I did not get the HD range, because I was not happy with the shade range. So that is about it. The good thing about this foundation is that it gets into your skin and it does not make your skin look cakey. So yes, I would give 3 out of 5 to that particular product. Now moving towards the compact powder, which looks like this one. One thing I must tell you that I am very happy with the packaging. Packaging is really good. Even the foundation's packaging was really good, and even this packaging is so good, super duper good. Now they say that it is weightless. It has SPF 20, it has vitamin E, and it also has shea butter in it. And my shade, again, it is the last shade in this particular range. So my shade is Sand, that is 04, and it contains 9 gram of product and it retails for 199 rupees. Now the packaging is really good. You get a good quality mirror, and you also get this powder which is very finely milled, I would say. And this particular shade is fine for my skin tone. And yeah, it does not have a lot of coverage. That's what I like about my compacts. I don't want a lot of coverage from them. I just want my face to be set, and frankly speaking, I like this compact. It is not heavily drying. It is very natural in consistency. So yes, I would again recommend this product. I liked this one. Now see, I wasn't hoping to like these products, but I happen to like them. Now let's come to the eye products. The very first thing is the kajal, and if you are an old subscriber of mine, so आपको पता होगा that I love Faces kajal. I think I have used so many kajals अभी तक, but my favorite has to be the Faces one. It is so dark and it is super duper smooth. It just glides on your eyelids super duper nicely, super duper smoothly. So I again highly recommend the kajal. It's one of my old favorites as well. Now moving on the eyeliner, I must tell you one thing, that when I tried this eyeliner 2 years back, I did not like it, but I think they have revamped everything. They have revamped the formulation of the eyeliner as well as the mascara, because I have used them earlier but I never liked it. Now this particular eyeliner, the only problem I faced is that the product which comes on the brush is very less, and I really like the tip of the brush, because through this you can control how do you want to draw your eyeliner. So I really like it, and it retails for I think somewhere around 200 to 50 rupees. I will leave the exact price in the description box, and according to that it is just fine. But this is not the best eyeliner out there, I must say, because you need to dip your brush twice and thrice in order to get a wing liner like this. You will see in the video that I have tried it. So it is fine according to me. I'm not very mad about this particular product. Now coming on to the mascara, I am so happy with the mascara, guys, because I think Faces has done a commendable job with the mascara this time. Earlier when I tried this mascara back in the days when it was launched, I was not a very big fan of it. And again, it retails for 399 rupees and you always get offer. I got these 3 things in an offer, and the wand is super duper good, so it gives you volume and it also separates your lashes. So if you're someone like me who has really thin lashes and needs something to use if you are a college going girl, so this particular mascara is really good, I would say. And it is not even drying and clumpy, that's the best part. Now moving ahead, let's talk about this palette. So this is what I used on my eyes as well. So this is the palette. I have already reviewed this palette. You can go and watch the detailed review. Now it has highlighter, a blush and a bronzer. Now if I tell you about the highlighter, the blush and bronzer, I really like the highlighter. Even like the blush, yes, the bronzer is not that visible on my skin, but still it does a pretty awesome job, as I have used the bronzer as my transition shade as well, and it looks really nice. You don't need an extra eyeshadow palette to get a look, so you can get away with this particular product. It's a multi-purpose product and I highly recommend this one because this is really value for quality, and you get lot of product here. So again, it's a really good product, I would say. Moving on to one more blush which I was having. This is the Faces Canada Glam On blush. Now I won't recommend you this blush. Even this particular color is much better than this one. The color is nice, but then we have some chunky particles over here which I really don't like, and it does not blend very smoothly, unlike that blush which we have in this particular palette. So that is my only concern. Okay, now moving towards the last part of the video. So now I had 3-4 types of lipsticks from Faces, but my favorite from the entire range has to be this one. This is the Faces Canada Ultime Pro Lip Crayon. This is a very old lip crayon. I think it's been 2 years now. This is in the shade Brunette 20. It's such a pretty color, you can see here, but I have just applied a little bit because I didn't want that dark look. So this is really good, really glidable and super duper affordable as well, and then it is transfer proof as well. I also like the Ultime Pro I think lip pencil, which has the primer. That is also very good. So these are the 2 lipsticks which I love from Faces. Now they also have smaller version of these lipsticks, so you can try them. Really like this particular lipstick. Okay guys, I think I have talked about every product, I believe. So yeah, I loved all these products and I really love how my face looks like. It doesn't feel very tacky, doesn't feel what should I say, very dry. But only one thing I'll tell you about the foundation, that only go for the foundation if you don't have a lot of acne scarring, because it will not hide your imperfections. It is just for regular use. But if you ask me, I just loved all the products from this particular range. So guys, that is about it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know if you have any other lipstick, any other request which I can do. If it is possible for me, I will certainly do it. That's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed. So don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care, and I love you guys a lot. Bye.